Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn landscape images to autumn effect using AI tool in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, using landscape mixer under neural filters, and converting layers to smart object. So let's get started. So here in our document, I got here a landscape image where we are going to turn this one into an autumn season effect. And not only that, I also prepare here another image that will serve as reference to our autumn. Well, I just downloaded this. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active. Then press Ctrl or Command plus J. Now we already have the duplicated layer. Now, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to convert that layer into a smart object. So to do that, all you have to do is to right click on that layer, then click on Convert to Smart Object. There you go. So that layer is no longer a rasterized layer. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the landscape mixer. With that smart object layer selected, go to the menu bar, go to filter, then choose on neural filters. Under the neural filters panel, we're going to find on the landscape mixer. It's under the creative. So all you have to do is to switch that on. Just click this one. All right. And then for the setting, we're going to make use a preference image to turn this one into an autumn season effect. So you can choose from the presets, all right? Well, but in our case for today, we're going to make use of a custom, all right? So from the image that we just prepared earlier, I'm going to click on the select image. Yes, this one. And then actually it's already here because it's already opened here in Photoshop. Okay, just click on this. All right, so that's the image, right? So once I click that, let's just wait for, it says here processing on device. So it instantly tried to copy the autumn effect on our original image. There you go. Still on the setting, it says here strength. I'm going to lessen this out. All right. So I'm going to set this one to around 40, something like that. So let's see the changes. All right. There you go. So they're just a little bit autumn. Okay. Autumn effect on it. All right. Now the next step we're going to do here is that we're going to adjust the autumn. All right. So still here in the setting. Okay. It says here autumn. I'm just going to drag this one, moving to the right. All right. So let's try around 60. All right. Now it created that autumn effect to our image. All right. So you can just play around with it. If you have a reference image, well, you can just mix and match the strength and the autumn. All right. Okay. Then once you're good with it, don't forget to hit OK. There you go. All right. Now, a while ago, we already converted this layer into smart object, right? Okay. And the reason for that is if you want to re-edit the effect on it, well, you can do that. All right. So just have to click on the neural filters, double click on that. Just wait for it to load up. There you go. Well, if there are things that you want to fix on, let's say I'm going to decrease the strength to it, all right, because I'm not satisfied with the outcome. All right, well, this one looks better. Or we can decrease that to 15. All right, much better. That's it. Now, let's hit OK once again. All right, now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before. It's so green. And looking at the ground, it has flowers on the ground. And this is the after. All right. And it created those fallen leaves on the ground. And of course, it turns the leaves into orange with that autumn season effect. And there you go. And that is how to turn landscape images to autumn effect using AI tool in Photoshop.